Good Friday afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Whiteboard Weather on this April the 24th, or we could call it March the 55th. And I'm going to explain why we could call it March the 55th coming up in just a couple of minutes. You could probably figure out by now that basically means that April has been a carryover of March in many aspects, but specifically with regards to temperatures. So I have a cool little stat about that coming up in just a couple of minutes. Hope your Friday has been a great one so far. Outside your window, many of you perhaps are seeing something different than somebody else. Some places are actually seeing some sunshine. We talked about that possibility of seeing some late day sunshine this morning. Others are seeing clouds, and still a select few may be seeing a quick kind of sprinkle of some rain. Right now, the most likely areas of that are out near the ridge tops to the east, but even there, it's not going to be around much longer. I think there's a decent chance that many of us at least will see some filtered sunshine before the sun sets at 8:08 this evening. So we're starting to see some breaks in the clouds as some drier air begins to work its way in. By the way, average high 65 degrees. We're short of that mark. We will be short of that mark, but with some sunshine breaking through parts of the area late this afternoon, we'll probably work that temperature up to right around 60 degrees before all is said and done. If you suffer from allergies, no change there. Grass and tree pollens are still running in a moderate range. And I would encourage you to maybe get outside late this afternoon and enjoy some of the fresh air, or do so first thing tomorrow morning before the next round of rain showers arrives. It looks like by late in the day tomorrow. I think a good chunk of tomorrow will end up being rain-free, and we'll talk about that also in just a moment. First, though, I want to get to our Friday afternoon sponsor. She's a wonderful lady, and she does exceptional work. She exceeds expectations when it comes to her craft. She is Lisa Wilson of the Lisa Wilson Real Estate Team at RE/MAX Select Realty. And when we talk about real estate agents, I've learned something new. They have what are called 5-star real estate agents. Makes total sense, right? Well, Lisa was announced through the Post-Gazette to be among this exclusive group, which fewer than 3% of real estate agents in Pittsburgh get for a single year, a 5-star real estate agent. And guess what? She's not only a 5-star real estate agent this year, or for 2019, I should say, she's been a 5-star real estate agent for the past 10 years. So her track record speaks for itself. So when the time comes and you're thinking about real estate, buying, selling, renting, or relocating, that's who you want to call Lisa Wilson and her team, which includes Shelly Verzella. You can check out all about the team. Just link right to her Facebook page via this post. I've made it real easy to do, a nice handy link to go to Lisa's Facebook page, and you can check out her current listings, which are just coming on the market in Cranberry and Shaler. Also, she has some nice fun stuff for you to check out. Some sort of home and garden tips, design tips right on her Facebook page, and also some fun little polls asking for your opinion about certain things as well. So check out Lisa Wilson's Facebook page, or you can go to her homepage, lisawilsonteam.com. By the way, she's a proud partner of your Pittsburgh Steelers, who will be on the clock tonight in the NFL draft. So reach out to Lisa when you get a chance. All right, let's check out, if you don't mind, some weather information. First off, I do want to show you the satellite picture from this afternoon. Get in here a little closer. If you can make out Pennsylvania, this is the PA-Ohio state line, and here's your corner right here. So this is the western side of the state. Here's your breaks in the clouds showing up northeastern Ohio, northwestern PA. A thinning of clouds making its way toward the city. If you're watching from areas south and east, still fairly thick cloud cover. And again, could be a sprinkle or two here, but as this drier air filters in, we'll continue to break up the clouds across the area as the rest of this afternoon rolls on. And by early this evening, we'll go with fair skies. Now again, there's a break in the rain. That'll be the case the rest of today, tonight, and early tomorrow. This is this evening. One storm system's departed here, another one developing back here across, we'll say, the Mississippi River Valley. Now, as we get into tomorrow morning, this is Saturday morning, still dry here. Here's your next storm system that will track by in this direction Saturday night and Sunday. I think that's going to mean clouds thickening through the day tomorrow, and by tomorrow evening, this is 8 o'clock, you can see a good moisture field filling in across the Ohio Valley. I think once we get into some rain Saturday evening, it's probably going to continue in a fairly widespread and steady fashion as we head into the day on Sunday as well. This is Sunday morning. You can see double barrel, low pressure, filtering up moisture. Along with that, though, there will be some relatively mild air as temperatures will climb near 60 again tomorrow and be in the 50s, mainly due to rain showers on Sunday. So that is the breakdown on the surface map as we head through the weekend. Those of you that have sent stars, thank you. I don't know what it means, but I appreciate it. Let's check out some birthdays today. Very quickly run down the list. If you or someone you know is celebrating today: Kelly Clarkson, Barbara Streisand, and Cedric the Entertainer. It's National Arbor Day today. National Pigs in the Blanket Day today, a culinary delight around these parts. And Teach Children to Save Day today. That means as in saving money, so a good day to maybe add an additional lesson to the homeschool itinerary about teaching kids how to save, which is always a good thing, because if we all were able to save a little more, we might be a little less stressed, especially given the current climate. And I ain't talking about weather. All right, let's get over to the whiteboard for this Friday, and we'll break down everything heading into and through the weekend. Again, we are brought to you on Fridays by the Lisa Wilson Real Estate Team. That's the website, lisawilsonteam.com. You can also find Lisa on Facebook. As I mentioned, there's a nice little link in this post to go right to her page. She is always exceeding expectations. She's a 5-star real estate agent in the Pittsburgh area for 10 years running. She is the one to know when the time comes to buy and or sell. Sunset tonight, 8:08 p.m. Sunrise on your Saturday, now on the early side of 6:30, 6:29. Moon phase is waxing crescent. Next system coming through here Saturday night and Sunday. Decent soaking of rain. 24-hour rain total from 6 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Sunday. Half inch to 1 inch of rain. And in areas that maybe saw a decent soaking from this last system, there could be the potential of some minor flooding issues. That would mainly be for areas south of I-70, closer to the Mason-Dixon line. Here's the cool stat I was telling you about. March has been marching on. I guess we're going to now call March and April, we'll call them April, because they've been pretty much the same. With regards to temperature, the mean temperature is when you take the average high and the average low, and you get the average of the averages. And the March mean temperature for Pittsburgh was 45.6. So far in April, the mean temperature is 45.8. So they've pretty much been a carbon copy of one another. March or April has been really just a continuation of March, and it shouldn't be that way. It should be a step up, not a step sideways. 42 tonight. Fair skies. Maybe some patchy fog late tonight as the winds will die off. Then for tomorrow, perhaps some brief morning sunshine. Could get out for a quick morning walk tomorrow. Then clouds will increase, and late in the day is when I see that shower chance returning. If you want a time frame, I'd say probably after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, as I mentioned, A good chunk of tomorrow will be rain-free to get outside morning, midday, even early afternoon. And then the rain showers arrive, and we're looking at a rainy Saturday night, 48 the low temperature, and a damp and cool Sunday with rain showers, 54 the high temperature. Not much sun on Sunday. Monday, we'll get back to some sunshine. Double nickels, 55, clouds and some sunshine. Tuesday, partly sunny, 61, so okay early next week. And then Wednesday, the best news, 63, but we will get some rain showers returning the middle part of next week. So it has been a fairly active weather pattern lately, and it will continue to be a fairly active weather pattern. And by that I mean we usually can't go more than 2 days, a day and a half, without getting some kind of precipitation coming through. And that overall pattern will continue right through probably the better part of the next 7 days. So that is all the information that you need to know, and then some. A little extra in there with the April temperatures, March/April temperatures. As always, please share Whiteboard Weather with your Facebook friends. The more you share, the bigger we continue to get, the bigger our community becomes. And always, if you've yet to vote or want to continue to vote for Best of the Berg 2020, we have about 1 week left to cast all the votes we can. There's a nice little link on the top of my homepage, which is pittsburghweathernow.com. And while you're there, just go through the website. There's lots of fun stuff on there to occupy some time. And it's interesting, too. There's some good weather information, educational such. So check out my homepage when you get a chance as well. That, my friends, is going to do it for today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I hope you stay safe, and I hope you stay healthy, as always. Have a great weekend, everyone. Peace. See ya.